Lie on your back in neutral spine with your feet on the floor. Take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, scoop the abdominals in and up and fold your knees toward your chest in tabletop position. Stretch your arms long by your sides, palms down, fingers reaching away. Inhale, float the head up, lift your upper back into C curve and pump your arms. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale and lower your feet and head to the ground to prepare for the single leg stretch. Inhale, fold your knees into the chest, and on the exhale, float the head up, come into C curve, and straighten your left leg to the sky. Inhale, place your right hand by your right ankle, your left hand by your right knee. Keep your elbows high, anchor your trunk and pelvis as you exhale and switch legs and hands, right leg up, left knee bent. And exhale, switch left, and exhale, switch right, and exhale, switch left, and exhale, switch right, exhale, switch left, exhale, switch right, and last one, exhale, switch left, and exhale, switch right. Now bring both feet to the ground, stretch your legs out, extend your spine, and take your arms overhead for roll-ups. Stretch the body completely with the arms overhead, heels pushing away. Bend your knees slightly, and on an inhale, lift your arms to the sky. Exhale and curl the spine off the ground, arms reaching forward, chin toward your chest. Inhale wide into your ribs. Exhale and roll down one vertebra at a time. And again, inhale the arms up. Exhale, curl the spine up, scooping the abdominals. Inhale deeply, squeeze the buttocks under, and exhale, pull the navel deep into the spine as you press back down. And last time, inhale the arms up. Exhale, peel the spine up, one vertebra at a time as you stretch forward. Inhale deep into the back body. Exhale and smoothly roll back down. Now inhale the arms and head up. Exhale and roll up to sitting for rolling like a ball. Bend your knees into your chest, hold the back of your thighs, bring your chin to your chest, round the back, and relax the shoulders. Lift your feet off the mat and balance. Inhale and pulling your navel deep into the spine, roll back to the shoulder blades. Exhale, roll back up with the feet off the mat. And inhale and roll back, keeping your ball shape. Exhale and roll up. And last time, inhale and roll back. Exhale, roll back up. Inhale and balance. And then release your legs to sitting with the legs extended, arms stretched out to shoulder height for spine twist. Sit tall in neutral spine with your legs together, the knees bent. Ground the buttocks down. Inhale, pull your navel deeply in and up as you lengthen through the crown of your head. Exhale, twist to the right, squeezing your glutes and legs together tightly. Lift your chest as your eyes follow your hand. Inhale, lengthen and rotate the spine back to center, arms stretched out, shoulders pressing down. Exhale, twist to the left, rotating the entire rib cage and reaching with the arms. Inhale, rotate back to center, sitting tall with your chest lifted. And again, exhale, twist to the right, stay tall. Inhale, back to center. And exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, return to center. And last time, exhale, spiral the spine to the right. Inhale, back to center. And exhale, spiral to the left. And inhale, sit tall, back to center. Now lie down on your left side for Sidekick. Bring the feet a little ahead of the hips with the left knee bent. Keep the spine in neutral and the pelvis and rib cage aligned. Rest your head on your left hand with your elbow on the mat and the right arm in front of the chest. Engage your abdominals, and on an inhale, lift your right leg and sweep it forward, foot flexed, and pulse it twice like 2 little kicks. Exhale, point your toe and sweep the foot back and pulse twice. Keep your rib cage lifted through the entire movement, and again, forward and pulse, back and pulse, forward and pulse, back and pulse, and forward and pulse, and back and pulse, forward and pulse, back and pulse, forward and pulse, back and pulse. Keep your torso long and the hips stacked. Now roll to your other side. Bend your right knee. Keep your spine in neutral and the pelvis and rib cage aligned. Rest your head on your right hand with the left hand in front of the chest. Inhale and press your navel deep into the spine. Lift your left leg and sweep it forward, foot flexed, and pulse twice without rocking the hips. Exhale, point your toe and sweep the foot back and pulse twice without dropping the rib cage. And again, forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Forward and pulse, and back and pulse. And forward and pulse, and back and pulse. And forward and pulse, and back and pulse. And last time, forward and pulse, back and pulse. And to end, roll over on your belly for spine extension. Lie with your legs extended, toes pointed, arms long by your side, palms down. Engage your abdominals. Inhale and roll your outer shoulders up away from the mat. Exhale, slide the shoulder blades down the back, lift the head and chest, stretch the fingertips and toes away from the head. Inhale, lengthen into a long, low line. Exhale, lengthen back down and release the shoulders. And again, a deep breath in, open the front shoulders. Exhale, stretch the head and chest up into a long, low line. Inhale and hold. And exhale, lengthen down to the mat. And last time, inhale, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, pull the shoulder blades down the back, lift the head and chest, and stretch your toes and head away. Inhale into a long, low line. And then exhale and lengthen back down. And to finish, bend your knees, sit back on your heels, with your head resting on your hands in child's pose.